What's good, Dark Skin Bad Squad? It's your girl Dark Skin Baddie, and I'm back with another video. And today we have another Amazon unboxing for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms, which is linked down below. So let's get into this video. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is another huge box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through this whole box. So y'all ready? So first thing, I have my birthday stash. If you guys don't know, my birthday is next Friday, which is September 16th. So my birthday stash says, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I wasn't gonna take it out, but I'm just gonna take it out so I can show you. I'm 25 plus 1. You know what that means? I'm about to be 26. So the first thing is the birthday stash. Ooh, it's so pretty. So in this package, it's a ponytail. I had got this ponytail because I'm doing me a ponytail for my birthday. And I'm just going to show you how it looks. I might not take that package though. It comes with bobby pins. Oh, it comes with 2 hair bows. But it's just a ponytail. So I have a orange headband with that I also got. I would show you guys my birthday outfits, but I'm gonna let that be a surprise. Ooh, my lash messing up. But I'm gonna let that be a surprise. So, but yeah, it is a headband with it. It comes with a stocking cap, and it came with these earrings. I just decided to put on the earrings because I ain't had no earrings on standby. But for my ponytail thing that I got, it's all gonna come together in a way, so be on the lookout for that. I also ordered some of these Gel-X nail tips. They're the full cover tips, and I got these because I want to do my nails after this video. I'm thinking about doing a small YouTube video on this, so be on the lookout for that as well. Make sure you have your post notifications on just in case I do drop this video. If I don't drop it on here, I will drop it on TikTok, which is my TikTok will be linked down below as well. So I got some of the curing glue to go with it. It's just like what they call a dupe, gel dupe. And they say these actually, the nails last really good with these. So we're gonna try this maybe on the next video. And I will link that link down below when I do, not link down below, but I will post it. You guys will see it. So I got this rainbow headband because when I put my hair in a ponytail, you guys will see the whole, like, just wait on it. You guys will see how it's gonna come out. But yes, it's a very nice rainbow flower headband. I just can't wait to show you guys how everything's gonna come together. I also got some of these press-on nails that I wanted to try. I don't know if you guys probably noticed what the thing might be just by the rainbow on my nails and the little headband that I just showed you guys. If you think you know what I'm talking about, just comment down below and I will let you know if you got it right or wrong. But for some reason this time I wanted to try some of these candies and see was I gonna really get the candy, so I ordered these candies. This is not really part of my birthday shindig or whatever. I just decided to order some candy. I also ordered a bag of Fruities. I believe it was like $7.99, if I'm not mistaken. I will try to link it down below as well, just in case you guys want to order some Fruities. I ordered some more of my favorite eyeshadow primer, so when I do my good looks, my makeup looks, it will pop for you guys. And lastly, oh, it's another bag of Fruities, because we love Fruities over here, and I like the fruit punch kind. Comment down below what is your favorite kind of Fruities you guys like. They have all the kinds on there, so you guys can go on there and check out like what kind you guys want. Like they got green, green apple, blue raspberry. They got all the Fruities on there. So if you guys want to purchase some, I'll leave the link down below just so y'all can go check it out and buy some. that concludes the video. I just wanted to show you guys some unboxing since I haven't posted in a minute. But I think I'm going to do the nail video for you guys, and I'm going to try to get that uploaded today as well. So be on the lookout for that. If it don't get posted on my YouTube, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok, and it will be posted on TikTok. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Turn on your post notifications to be notified when a new video is uploaded.